Twakwaniriye mwanchu muligereria andonsia soberete Chinsa ni Ikomi maragoba ya bono litukoneria ijuma chitariki ninye omotinyino yo gatano na gatatu mwaka w'echirwi 2023 chikakinaende ne yariganire aigase studio nkomanye asenchira yobwenge naria yagendete gokoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii ekiagera baliki baito nigo bali chinsemo ao kwenekia bayaretire asenchira yobwikirano asamangana itamaya ye Chinsa chiko bwatia asibali magotogenderera kutubwate wetera asenchira ye mitandao yekerero tonyole wetera Ndizi TV News digital ensemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet at Ndizi TV News mwanchumulia ninchego kumanyia amange asenchira yobwenge kati yabo esabali yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ya matukatano asorgongo rwa Mount Kenya tobese gusukano nyangake ngoira nande asegeke kirbosyo egeren kumanyia mange. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nole toko bwaterera komo korwa sensemo yubimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta Abigail Nyanchama nero kwene kiabuna chibicha na Mariogi agwikere asenchira yoboikirano tigato ya chakengo korwa se county ya Nyamira ase ward ya Magombo abwase amateye mo yomugaka nyagusira mugire magaki bakorera obumaene bwabo magega yomugako yogotindokorwa amatuka make magega yokwenigwa asingencho yesegi no botutukanu igoro yekeginga kyobolemo gokwana no muliko ito dipon asanya oyotara sensemeyo ya Magombo omugambi bwensemeyo ne amate ya nyagosira mugambi Fred Obaye niganyara ko bagakwenekia buna yunagendrete kulendeli tukolia ankyo na chigotware baraza enene okwanera igoro yege korwe kyo tigango torategerere birengerelio byamate no mugambi korwa sensemeyo
mumuro yo minto nabasirete garware to burwaira abasirira tumbe wana bana ba minto bakaenda bakamureta bakamoeni sababu yagerete bari ko moeni no bole mo batebe tigungangu chubole ko beku ekoshoni ngana agore naoneretia abagori bagati ko beke ekoshoni na gikegerete bole mo bwari nge gutangunga ko bekerwe ekoshoni mu muro itaretu
atororera mabira akonye familia yabagaka baito abande batantanire bajagire kwegambi boka no mugako minto no mugotu ujagire kwegambi bweka konya kugamba para igoro yamangana ya chandegete nduri kurara nyumba bono igatomeze gichaime imejitomenya tabande abana bayito bonsi mbai bari cisukuru kakie serikali etare ko esona nime ankae nigubuya ingaba na baba bangire bono isibako eni yango tutete ko moeni mugondo kwaye
umuchibo Magombo location in Manga sub county nabona ataka mbeke mbe oboronge after mubirolio tindokoletu twayurete mochari na inde ntobatu murolio mambo twarande barasase kinyurekyo twamunaishe community ne family possibly by Monday or Tuesday kobanga tole tumwakoria agakirwe nyomba aindi kugoye na masikani yaye yogote ya bantu ngamba kubulia seremu kononi mwao no yola tuko kuchigendera beyond ilimambia na besheria ebokoregasi igono tutaita abantu bamenyamo baiwana na inde kunakubogambe tuko wakiwa kara abantu bamenyate ina village bakonya kumenya kwa duna chingabi.
Kampani ya stima sako imeyense ya Kenya orosagia rwa Kisii nigorwa cha kiwarero bene abwaso mulikito Josephat Hamisi aikirana ase omoyogoyo ime yomochio bosongo gokwana no mo CEO we kampani yo ase lieta Hamali Hassan nigate birubuna kampani yo nigo ya chako bokorari ase county ya Kisii metinyebere ya etire na igo nigo baye chakya bene elimanyekane muno bokorari bwa ngotoka bore ase county ya Kisii asate bire nigo bari nekirenga kyo wikera bakenya bange mono elyo konyoro bokorari na gukinia obokorari we kampani ya stima sako
My name is Dr. Gamal Hassan. I am the CEO at Stimasako. Today has been a very, very good day for us. We have officially opened our 12th branch in the country, right here in Kisii at Waumini Center. We're very excited to be here. The event was actually opened by the Deputy Governor. We also had representation, a very big representation from the Kisii County and also from the national government, and we even had an MCA around. So we've also had representation from the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce, the business community, from the Contractors Association, the informal sector, and we're very, very excited to be here today. Stimasako is the second largest circle in Kenya, the second largest circle in Africa, with an asset base of more than 54 billion Kenyan shillings. That makes us larger than most of the banks in Kenya. Our being in Kisii County is a testimony that we are expanding a very stable institution, growing institution, and we've targeted Kisii County for one main reason. And the main reason is this, that we know Kisii County is known as a very big segment of it is business driven. And we've seen that by our numbers. You might be surprised that we gave our branch a target of generating 174 million shillings of loans.
Amatuka make magega yomo MCA korose ward ya Masimba Boss Mairura koleta abanyanyimbo asamagacho ye County Assembly ase County ya Kisii nigobono anyora chinga kichinko ngukwerera bosyo bwa baraibande nganinki kyagerete ere koleta abanyanyimba abo aya nigachire maega boigo yabamenyi korose ward ya Masimba beso kireli tukolia rero na kogikelia engane yo asibate vire boss nigarete te abanyanyimbo kubwatekana no kwerwanerera ekera tebete buna nigo are kogosererigwa obogima nigo bakwana no mulikito Mildred Momanyi asaba menyi abo batebire buna omosike Mairura nigabwenerete kwegwa esiko buno murai bwe county ya Kisii.
Inche elietaliane iganguru kwa chara edikenyanza ninje chemo ni ya Masimba ekolie linganga kimasimba yeite kogenda twanyo linga Masimba yeito yanyare kobe gutukumaega ekaro mwezi mwe weito Boss Mairura ko bori ebinto igakonyara kobo gosieku naende gakuriwa abantu ba minto batagete komanya obwene bwa Masimba ikiagera una atigiru maega ono toko bori abantu ba Masimba na mwataka mukwane kene kino ko Masimba naende gabago tebanga ebintu nebinge mwakorire mutariko te Masimba musimutari ko koreta ubuya bwa Masimba na kiagera abantu bakiramo bago tebanga na barumbatake to bwene bwabo mutake to bwene bwino borekane egento kende mutige oyo minto omwe musio itututumete timonyara ko bamoko mulige kera ne ara maisaito twanyore nga ekere mwachire bunge mutagete ko munyokia naende ne ero tutumete ne ara maisaito talibo gabantu baminto ngo mwarode baso ko munyokwa
una enjere moyo gokinia ebirengo byechisemi na gukora umuchando bwa mache uyogendrete guchanda chiskuru chinyinge ase county ya Kisii nigobono MCA bwe ward ya Ichuni omoske Wycliffe Siocha anyara ko bakawe ikia etangi ya mache ase skuru ye Chitago eyo boroso ye Chitago kubwaterana na serikali ye county ya Kisii omoske Siocha niganchiranire buna chiskuru chinyinge ase ward eyo nigo chibwate mechando ya mache na igo nache kwenda na naende chitangi chinde 15 ase chiskuru echo litkolia rero ase skuru ye Chitago primary school naenda na etangi echilita chiribu Ikomi abo asate abiri nache kugendera kubwaterana no bokoreri bwe serikali ye county eliokoletera abamenyi be ward ya Ichuni Amayia amange
tukoliara ntorno moko abune school ye Chitago asember no moko no moko kwenye babugate bwa maji mochando yokorendo ke oire asenyencho wetera se serikali yo mugabano ito simbarati tukoliara twonyore tangiana na sana bro yo yara nana tangia 10,000 liters yera bwe okonya abana baiga n'abarimu asenge nchoko nyora machara maya ndina lyo so yendo nara tebya the board of management n'abari n'abana murende tangiye buya nariye nerera abe yenge nchene nego chasimure singe jumesa kwenye chuo bora nyone nga objective area gara county government yare ta kaiga so iko mwe spinare ngo batebe nga tukatubwata na singe choke ne kinga school yetu kinere centre yekisem ne mono support iri ndio smuraga county meeting I always prepare for support area muganeti asinge chuo ni birango yekisem bi school yeto yekitago
Factory yekagwa ya Bisembe kutoka se ward ya Kerenyo ase bunge ya North Mugirango nigo abalimi bachaka gokorobo chori bunenchire moyo gochora barai bali barachie ko barwanerera asogokinia ekemelie kyo yekawa agati y'abalimi abo nigo bale korwa sensemo ya itibo ensemo ya Kerenyo magwagwa na kiabonyoru roboti oruo asenchera yoboikiranu murikiti bomangana Amayia korwa se county ya Nyamira oyo minto job mangi nagendete gutubwatelia achigotoletera senchera yoboikiranu. Korwa sorogangorwa Gusii mwanchu muligereria ya masayemo weika ase county ya Nairobi abo ase monogari bwe nyumba y'oburai ya State House Hussein Mohamed anyara ko bakago kwanira abaliki iba mangana korwa sensemo ya Sagana Lodge abo asaereire boikeranu esabalia y'omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto eyara chikoira matuka 5 asorogongorwa Mount Kenya asara chego chakia emirobelio ao ya magenderero eye nero etaro yumuraibwense asorgongo ro Mount Kenya.
On Sunday, 6 August, the President will host an interdenominational prayer service at the Sagana State Lodge, and later in the afternoon he will chair a meeting with the leadership of the region. On Monday morning, the head of state will officially launch the upgrading to bitumen standards and maintenance of the 45-kilometer Ichamara-Kariti Road in Mukurweini, Nyarangi County. Also, on Monday in Tetu Sub-County, President Ruto will commission the Kaigonji Water Project and thereafter commission the Odhaya Water Project, which will benefit 60,000 people with 216 new sewer connections. The President will also open the Nyeri stage and bus park, expected to ease congestion at the terminus. On Tuesday, 8th August, President Ruto will chair a cabinet meeting at Sagana State Lodge. Afterwards, he will open a new Kenya Cooperative Creameries facility in Kiganjo and host a regional leaders conference again at the Sagana State Lodge. He will conclude, President William Ruto will conclude his tour on Wednesday, 9th August, starting with the opening of a 3-storied, 175-bed capacity level 4 hospital in Narumoru. He will then witness the groundbreaking of Gishugu Affordable Housing Program in Kirinyaga County, which is part of the 200 units per constituency program, which again he promised to do. And I think 2 days ago, the State Department of Housing and Urban Development again called for or advertised for such projects in several constituencies.
Nigovoigo Mohamed aene kia muraibwense agochokoigura emirobiri ya magenderero ao asorongorora Mount Kenya ase taro yaye gochogochaka asa matuka 5 abo asatebire na chikoigura amagenderero gosechi project ao gati yabo eyamache.
The project entails the construction, this project in Gishugu entails the construction of 140 housing units. The head of state will then thereafter witness the groundbreaking of another affordable housing project in Thika, Kiambu County, which will provide 975 units, with 20% of those reserved for civil servants. All these projects, and especially all the planned water projects in the region, are in line with the government's water storage program, which aims to construct 100 mega dams, 1,000 medium dams, and 4,000 small dams, and also connect 6 million new households across the country to clean and safe water. in the pipeline in this program are strategic projects like Mzima 2 pipeline, Ndarugu 2 dam, Maragua 4 dam, Galana, the High Grand Falls Dam, 2 rivers, Sabaki water carrier, which are all currently at the
Omuliki obotambe asense moyo kuligereria bokoreri bwa serikali asovisi mu Prime Cabinet Secretary Masubati Ani Njoki wa Ng'ombe nigatebire ngenchonereo asa serikali yense ya Kenya korwa obokoreri asokoleta monchererio ase chinsemo ao unenchereye moyo gokinia obokoreri ase chinsemo ao ase chiobisi chinene cha serikali ime ya Kenya.
It is my pleasure to join you for this workshop on assets and inventory management. The holding of this workshop could not have come at any other opportune time. As you are aware, governments have one goal with respect to asset management, which is to maximize the value of their investment portfolio over time while maintaining an acceptable level of risk. The government of Kenya, to which you are an essential cog, is no exception. In order to achieve the goal of maximizing the value of government investments, the National Treasury has initiated fiscal reforms to automate assets and inventory management in ministries, state departments and agencies, and in county governments too. These reforms will be pursued in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. For avoidance of doubt, the reforms are in tandem with our resolve to
Elio ayonsi goikirana omusubati Njoki nigatebire goika okobwaterana kobeo gati yababwatani ao be serikali n'abantu bogwanchokuya unenchereye moyo kwenekia ogokina kwobokoreri ase chinsemo ao che serikali.
Will also help you address the perennial concerns by the Auditor General about inadequate management of government assets. And in order to ensure that these fiscal reforms are given the serious stimulus required, asset management is included as one of the key performance indicators in the 20th performance reporting cycle. MDAs are therefore required to ensure proper management and disposal of government assets under them. The inclusion of the indicator is to ensure public sector entities prepare and maintain accurate and reliable assets registers. In safeguarding government assets, standardization of identification, recording, disclosure, and
Omochando buboroire bweli sabeso gusekolera imense ya Kenya nigo nyalde ko bagokwenekiwa ase chinsemo ao buna bakwenekia abo bisa korwase kyombe kyobo chenwe sengima WHO ekiri tukolia lero kubwaterana ne wizara yobo chenu wechi county banyara ko babago cha kibene echanjo yeli sabeso eliogotanga omochando yo nigo bachakira se chi county sano na isato asabatebire nonya nabo chi county emerongo ibere asense ya Kenya nigo chietangire korwase omochando yo ase mono county ya Kajiado eyo morobelio yo cha kalitukolia lero eregati ye chi county chinde banyara ko babagoteba chinsemo buna kitengela nigo omochando yo oromonene ase basabiro kubwaterana eliogokora gosegokeya omochando bwelisabeso.
198 cases reported with 5 deaths from this sub-county, and therefore there was a need to carry out another cholera vaccine to do the prevention.
We are targeting about 1.7 million people. The first vaccine that was used in Kenya ever was done in February this year, and that targeted about 2.3 million people. It was hugely successful. and we hope that this one will also be as successful or even not more than the last one. And to all other cholera vaccine, people need to practice good hygiene, cook their food very well, wash their hands.
We have the disease common in our urban setup because of the commotions and the population and the cosmopolitan nature. It is common in
Mwanchu mulgereria na arayo asenchera yo bwengen wakangambo ya mono asugusangana intwe we Ikomo elyo wa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi korwa segeta seni kia Ndizi TV obwansu bw'Gusii tobaisa komoche kiagera amange asenchera yo bwenge kerekoraga ensa eyama bono botuko nabayigo Chinsa isato chobotuko obwarero ngwakangambia mono kirage ase oliato waterana komo kwene kiokoreta ironsi wetera senchira yebimanyererio wakoro kwa Joshua Auta Abigail Nyanchama nero ene kia chibichana mariogi asokire buya ochabwo asore tiganko ganerie e weekend engia ne sabato engia ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.